and next to me is
Nasywa.
We are students from Krian 1 Vocational High School, Sidoarjo.
We want to present our creative recycle product using metal scrap from our school environment.
In our school, one of the most common types of waste is metal scrap, or in Indonesia we call it limbah, besi, bubut. I repeat, limbah, besi, bubut.
This waste comes from daily workshop practice. The scrap falls on the floor, sticks to shoes, spreads to the hallway, and makes the environment look dirty.
We want to reduce this problem. Instead of letting the waste pile up, we turn it into useful and creative products that have real function and value.
Our first creation is a wall clock made from metal scrap mixed with resin.
This waste is often thrown away and left unused, so we decided to recycle it into something functional and decorative.
Here are the steps to make our wall clock. First, select the cleanest and best metal scrap, and don't forget to wear gloves for your safety. Second, shape or press the metal scrap to fit to the mold. Third, pour resin with the right composition. Fourth, smooth and clean the surface. Fifth, assemble the clock mechanism. And last, finishing and polishing.
The tutorial. First, we select clean metal turning waste that can match our plant theme. Then, we shape the waste into plant forms like leaves and flowers. After that, we pour resin and catalyst with a ratio of 3:1.
Next, we place the mixture into a mold. When it becomes solid, we add a second layer using a blue pigment. For the clock mechanism, we use a CNC machine to install the movement. We finish the wall clock by adding decorations and the time indicators.
The result is a strong, elegant, and eco-friendly wall clock.
Our second creation is a night lamp in heart and square shapes. We use the metal turning waste, resin, a recycled box-shaped base that already contains the light inside.
We place the metal shapes on top of the box base, decorate the surface, and adjust the lighting so the heart and square glow clearly.
The process is still the same as the wall clock with a few extra steps. First, select the cleanest and best metal scrap and don't forget to wear gloves for your safety. Second, shape or press the metal scrap to fit the mold. Third, pour resin with the right composition. Fourth, smooth and clean the surface. Fifth, install the light inside the design. And last, add decorations and finish the surface.
The tutorial. The process of making the night lamp is almost the same as making the wall clock. We use the same step for choosing the metal scrap, shaping it, and pouring the resin mixture.
The difference is the lamp installation. We add a light that fits the design and the size of the artwork. One challenge of using metal turning waste is shaping it. The waste is rough and hard to form into the exact shape we want.
The final result is a romantic and colorful night lamp that gives a warm light and support recycling.
From these two products, we learn that waste can be transformed into something valuable and creative.
We hope our project can inspire other students to recycle materials around them. Thank you for watching our presentation. Have a nice day. See you!